Greetings everybody, this is the next day, so welcome to this new episode. Yeah, so this is the update now on the farm. Yeah, alright, this is the seed bed. Let's observe it again. This is the carrots. And here we have cucumber. Here we have cabbage. We have pak choi over here. We have lettuce right here. We have basil. And we have watermelons. Yeah. And I planted some peanuts. But I see some hole in the ground. I don't know if some insect or bird took the peanuts, but we'll see. So yeah. I don't know, this is my beautiful farm. Give her thanks. Right now we don't really have much on it. We have cocos and we have pear trees. Pawpaw trees. Right now, before I planted sweet potato on this land, and it did well, but I was in drought season, so it's not good to plant sweet potatoes in drought season. So yeah, so this is the seed bed. We're going to plant this out. So we planted some tomatoes that was over here. We planted them down here. Alright, morning. Alright. Yes, so this is where we have the tomatoes that we planted out. So, see, we have one here. Excuse my shadow. Okay, let us have a closer look. So these are the tomatoes. So I'm going to see how they work out. Planted them out right here, so it's 56 of them. So we're going to see how they turn out. An update on the strawberries. Since I have been watering them every day, they have been turning out. They are coming better. Look at this. Look at this. So they're coming. It's coming. They're coming. They need a lot of water, man. But because we live in Manchester. It's rough to water the thing them, because as you can see, we have a tank, and it's from the tank we use and a bucket. So I have a bucket in my hand. So yeah, man, when you live places where there's no running water, this is the solution catch your water, man. You know, so this is a barbecue where it runs off from this slanted angle into the tank. So yeah, so we do it in the farm. So the tomato section here, and up above that, further up in the middle, you have the strawberries, and the seed bed is up past a tree go up, you know. And yeah, we have more land. Some yam is growing over here. My uncle planted those. I'm going to be planting some yam for myself soon. Above, right here in that open lot, I'll be planting yams. So this is yams growing over here. And you have banana trees and breadfruit tree, you know, pear trees. I'm under a pear tree right now. You know, star apple tree, lime tree over there, you know. And there's more land over there. In our next episode, I'll show you the garden where this is my grandfather's land, by the way. So is my grandfather established all these things, these plants, so we as grandchildren can enjoy them, you know. So that tree there, that smaller tree there in the middle, that's a jackfruit tree. And I can show you guys jackfruits. There are jackfruits on it growing right now. So let me just quickly show you guys. And we have lots of cocoa just growing, a lot of cocoa. Lots of them. Yeah. So this is what you call a jackfruit tree. And look at this, guys. Jackfruits growing on it. Look how beautiful it is. Look at it. That's a jackfruit. You see me? Look at that beautiful monstrosity growing on the tree. And look above it. What's that? That's another jackfruit. So this is a jackfruit tree, guys. Jackfruit tree. And if you haven't tasted jackfruit before, you need to taste it right away. It's proper, you see it? Nice little fruit, you know? And we have a tenant growing some stuff on the land. So he's growing carrots and peanuts, you know. So but it's drought season, so it look rough. Also some carrots here. You see the carrots? This is a carrot. Yeah. Yeah, man, they're growing up nice, but you need some water. Need some water. So it's rough on the Manchester farmers. We only rely on rainfall, and the wise ones have tanks and they catch the water. And the more tank you have and the bigger the tank you have, it's the better for you. Just going through this section here. We planted some peanuts up here. And this is a tank from the other angle. You know? I want to put another tank over there, but soon enough. And that's the road, go up the hill to go out. So, alright guys. I wonder if you guys want to follow me go out. Alright, we can just make this one full clip because I water the stuff. Oh, alright. So we'll come back, guys. So we'll bring you up the hill, alright? Alright, guys. Finish watering the stuff, so let's go up the hill. This is my stuff and my machete. I usually have them in both hands, but I have to be carrying the camera in one hand, so yeah. So this is my journey up the hill. So this is the farm. Coming off the farm now, going up the hill. Oh my gosh, my machine fell. Hold on guys, I'm gonna try to secure this machete better. That's better. Alright guys. So that's the house way down there. That's where my grandfather built his house, but he's dead now, and my grandfather planted most of these stuff this year. So basically everything you can see 360 around, that's my family land, and we have access to all of it. That hill up there, this hill up here, this hill over to this side, yeah, give her thanks. Grandfather leave a legacy behind for him grandchildren, so we don't have to suffer, you know. Make sure we left something where, cause he always said that he was not going to sell any of the land because he don't want any of it to leave, because it's for his children's children and their children to come. So none of it shall be sold. It shall be used for family land only. Yeah. So this is the hill I have to go up every time I farm, because the road is not yet completed. The road was bulldozed. But other than that, I've been trying to put some cement and lay 2 tracks, but it is very costly, so little by little. Yeah, I don't know if the camera do this hill justice, but it's a very steep hill, man. So this is my little exercise routine. I don't have to go to gym. The gym come to me. I don't have a choice but to walk up the steep hill. Get fit. Bust a sweat. Get your heartbeat pumping. Right, this is a look from here. So way down there, that's where we're coming from. I don't know if you can see the tank from here. That's where we're coming from. And we're halfway up the hill. So let's go. Alright, this is the really steep part. The reason right here is so rocky is because we dug out the dirt till we reached the hard rock because we're doing the road, so We need firm foundation under the road, so when heavy vehicles drive on it, the road doesn't move or cracks. Whoa. Excuse me guys, the wide angle lens fell. Let's go. Alright. Alright. So this spot, guys, was where I was working on this hard surface. I have 2 trucks coming down, so we just need to continue the works and go right down. See how high we're up? That dirt patch down there, that's where we're coming from. Let's go. How long it takes? 6 minutes to walk up here. Not bad. Yes guys, so up here, this is the top view. Beautiful. Let's go. Good exercise up the hill, you know. Yeah. See it there? See how far we're coming from? Yeah. Get my heart pumping, man. We're basically on the top, but we still have more to go onto the driveway where the car is parked. So yes, people, what day I do it. Can you see how I'm kind of big? Yeah, man. So a good exercise for me, you know? I can tell you first time I never go up the hill so fast. So little by little I'm getting stronger and stronger, and the hill is coming easier and easier to walk up. Oh, let me show you guys this apple tree. Got this beautiful apple tree, man. And it's bearing fruit. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's apple, young apple. And you see some red ones. Look at that. Beautiful. Apples growing, man. Whenever I can get one, let me see if I can pick one and enjoy this, man. Where's that last one? I'm looking for that last apple, guys. know it's here somewhere. Don't know where that one is. Note to self, look where the stuff drop before you pick the other. Alright. So that one nice juicy one. You can see what I'll go on with it. Ah. The one the green. I forgot to make juice with it. Probably by next week I'm supposed to taste sweeter. Yeah man. And this part here, I'll pave this part as well, but I need an extra cover there. You don't know more than cement and labor. Ain't cheap things, man. Okay, so this is where Dina live, my cousin you saw yesterday. Usually I park up here, you know. Look about this gate. Blessings.
Morning.
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 Yeah, and I saw the vehicle. Yes, guys, reach. Yes, guys, reaching. Yeah, man, so thanks for following me on the journey. See you again tomorrow. Respect and love. One perfect love in Christ Jesus.